Hi guys, it's Big Dan back again, XL Sports coach, to give you the answers for the last task that I set you. Okay, so the first one was this emoji, or emojis, okay, and the answer was the Monaco Grand Prix. Next one, this one's quite a simple one, I think, if you like the sport, that is, and this one was the All Blacks. Okay, next one. If you're a cricket fan, you'll kick yourself afterwards. Its name was Shane Warne. Next one. Literally what you can see. Golden duck. Bit of a difficult one. I will have to admit, out of the pack. Quite a difficult one. It is yellow jersey. Well, if you didn't get this one, I think you need to hang your clubs up in the future. Tiger Woods. For all the football fans out there, look into my eyes, look into my eyes. Crystal Palace. Okay, last one here. Clubhouse. Everyone has one. Most hated man in British history of football. Most hated man. Yes, Diego Maradona. And the last one. Back to golf. A sand wedge of cheese. Haha. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it's give you a few minutes of entertainment through this coronavirus situation that we're in. Keep going, guys, and please support XL Sports Coaching. Bye.